Welcome you all back to the session related to that of course Introduction to Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So as we discussed in the previous videos regarding to that of mesh analysis, get involved in the module 1 fundamentals of DC circuits. So now we are going to see the fourth different problem related to that of mesh analysis part. So here this equation so this question says is what? Use the mesh analysis so to determine the three mesh currents in the circuit of the figure shown in the below. So from that question itself they have said three mesh currents, so which means that three loops are there. So they have in that question itself they have mentioned this I1, so I2 and I3. So in the previous questions we only just mark the I1, I2 and I3. So but here in the question itself they have mentioned I1, I2 and I3. So first then pinpoint the points is so A, B, C and D, so E, F, G and H. So I have marked these are the points in this circuit. So after that the I1, I2 and I3, so three mesh currents, so closed loop number 1, 2 and 3. So with respect to that now we are going to form the equation with which law? So KVL law we are going to get with respect to this KVL law we are going to form the equations. So the first from the loop A, B, C, D and A. So now we are going to form the equation number 1. So A, B, C, D and A, this is the loop. So equations deals with what? So 1 ohm resistor, so this 1 ohm resistor will have the I1 current and also what, I2 current also. So automatically 1 into I1 minus I2, so that is only mentioned here. So and then 6 voltage source, it from plus to minus. So plus to minus means then sign of indication is minus, so minus 6. So and then the 2 ohm resistor is there. So this 2 ohm resistor is combination of I1 current and I3 current. So I1 minus I3, so that is also mentioned here. So and then next to that what, the 7 voltage source. So this voltage sources carries from minus to plus, so minus to plus, so automatically the sign of indication is plus. So after simplifying the equation 1 says is what, so minus 3 I1 plus I2 plus 2 I3 equal to minus 1. This is the equation number 1. So parallelly for the equation 2 and 3 we are going to get obtained from the loop 2 and loop 3 from I2 and I3. So from B, G, F, E and B, which means that B, G, F, E and B. So this is the second loop. So equation carries from, so 2 into what, I2, so minus 2 into I2 and this 3 ohm resistor has the current of I2 and I3, so minus 3 into I2 minus I3. So and 1 ohm has combination of I2 and I1, so I2 minus I1 equal to 0. So the equation will change as minus 2 into I2 minus 3 into I2 plus 3 into I3, so minus I2, so plus I1. So our equation will change as minus 5 I2, so plus 3 I3 minus I2 plus I1 equal to 0. So minus 6 I2 plus 3 I3 plus I1 equal to 0. So I1 minus 6 I2 plus 3 I3 equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. So the same equation is mentioned here. So next from the third loop, which means that E, F, H, C and E. So the equation will says us about, so this 3 ohm resistor has I3 and so I2 minus 3 into I3 minus I2, so 1 ohm, so 1 into I3, so 2 ohms minus 2 into I3 minus I1, so I1 current. So and then so minus 2 plus, so minus 2 plus means so plus 6 equal to 0. So minus 3 into I3 plus 3 into I2 minus I3, so minus 2I3 plus 2I1 equal to minus 6. So I3 I3 and I3, so minus minus and minus, so automatically minus 6 I3 plus 3 I2 plus 2 I1 is equal to minus 6. So this is the equation number 3. So the same thing we have got here. So minus 6 I3 plus 3 I2 plus 2 I1 is equal to minus 6. So again by using the calculator, so unknowns as 3, so A1, B1, C1 and D1 is the constants, A2, B2, C2 and D2. So A3, B3, C3 and D3, these are the things is will shown in the calculator. So after mentioning the values is from the equation, we got as x, y and z. So x says 3, y says about 2 and z says is about 3. So I1 equal to 3 amps, I2 is equal to 2 amps and I3 is equal to 3 amps. Thank you.